So guys, Windows 11 version 24h2 download error. So how to resolve it? So is first method, click to start and run Windows update troubleshooter. So click to start and go to setting, click to system, scroll down, troubleshoot, other troubleshoot, click to run this one, Windows update, and click to run. Okay, then next, check Windows update again, click to start, go to setting, Windows update, and click. Wait few seconds. Okay, then minimize and again click to start and type services. Okay, and right click to run as administrator. This is icon. Okay, press W for Windows, audio, backup, Windows update, and select to restart and close it. Okay, again try to all. Right now we are restart the service. Then clear the update cache. Okay, open file manager, C drive, Windows, software distributor, software distributions. Open this, go to download, and this is all cache. Okay, share the file, the cache, select all, then select all and right click delete, then click to do not and then continue. So this is SFC scanner. So how to run? This is command. I will give you this command in the video descriptions. So open CMD, click to start and type CMD. Right click to run as administrator. Then yes. So this is first command. Okay, copy and paste. If guys it is not copy paste, so you can type manually. Okay, so step by step, one by one, enter the command. This is first, second, third, fourth. then second, then third, then last. How to reset network configurations. So first method, click to start and CMD. This is both same Windows 10 and 11, same method. Right click to configurations and then run as that. Click on the run as administrator, then click yes, then command IP config space slash DNS and then hit enter. Okay, so this is successfully flashed up, DNS resolved and crash. Then next, second method, register DNS, REGISTER DNS, and then again hit enter. Then next command, type as it is IP config space slash, then third one release, then again hit enter. Okay, and then space slash renew. Okay, this is fourth one. Okay, and then last, netsh winsock space reset. So finally reset. Okay, this is a reset network configuration setting. Okay, then you can check if you want to check what your IP, what your system IP config slash space slash all. So this is my IP version 4 IP. This is subnet. Okay, like that. Thank you.